We done covering 85 to 88. 1985, Black Uhuru won the first Grammy Award as the Jamaicans winning Grammy Award. Okay, and then you have 1986, Jimmy Cliff. 1987, Steel Pulse. 1988, Peter Tosh. And the point where I was at is we don't really know if he lived to receive this. If I'm wrong, correct me. Yes, so basically we're at Peter Tosh 88, okay? Yeah, man. And then 89 we have Ziggy Marley and the Melody Makers. Obviously, my people, you know what I mean, it's a whole heap of information, you know what I mean? So Ziggy Marley and the Melody Makers, 1989. 1991, it's Bunny Wailer. 92 is Shabba Rankin. Big Emperor Shabba Bad Lakawa. So yeah, after Shabba Rankin now, Big Bad Shabba Rankin in 1992. Who won it after 1992 is Shabba again. In 1993, Shabba won it again. In 1994, it was Inner Circle. 1995 is Bunny Wailer. 1996 is Shaggy. 1997 is Bunny Wailer. 1998 is Ziggy Marley again and the Melody Makers. So that's 1997, Bunny Wailer won the Grammy Award. 98, Ziggy Marley and the Melody Makers. 1999, Sly and Robbie, which is well deserved. They've been working from so long ago, from way into the 80s. You understand what I'm saying? So you don't know the thing's set. You have to work hard and stick to it. In 2000, it's Burning Spear, another legend again out in the field for a long time before he even get anything. So everybody out there who's trying to get one of these Grammy, just keep working. And then Beenie Man get one in 2001. Never forget that. Damian Marley in 2002. Lee Big Bad Madman Scratch Perry, the genius and the insane man at the same time. You know what I mean? He's in 2003. 2004, Sean Paul win it. Big up to the Dirty. You see me? Toots and the Maytel. Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself, Tootsie. Big up on yourself. Well deserved. 2005. You think say boy Toots and the Maytel would have win this thing long time. Big up yourself, Toots. An extra massive large up to Toots. Cause me I tell you say Toots things massive a foreign. Well mad and slap we gone. You see me? Big man thing. So yeah, that's Toots and the Maytels at 2005. Won the Grammy for Jamaica again and the reggae section, which obviously I want people to know say we created the old genre, and then the award board decided that they're gonna put ska, dancehall, and reggae music under the same category, right? This is why we have Beenie Man on there alongside people like say Toots or Damian Marley or so. So yeah, Toots at 2005. Damian Marley win it in 2006. Big up yourself, Bob Marley boy. Large up, respect. You come and revitalize the new generation. Big up yourself, Damian Marley. A massive shout out to you. Shout out to everybody panelists said way. Trust me, the video would be too long if I big up everybody just the same, but you don't know the thing said. So 2007 now, you have Ziggy Marley. So it's Marley back to back, you know, in 2006 and then 2007. Here I know, hear the drama now. 3 in a row. You ever hear about a trick yet? Hot trick when you play ball? A hot trick. Well, we have Damian Marley at 2006, Ziggy Marley at 2007, and Stephen Marley at 2008. But here White Mad now, Burning Spear. Win it in 2009, you see me? So the thing big, you see me? Slap we gone. So Jamaica, on big up on yourself. Enough large up to the people and big up to my subscribers. One love to the Rastafari them out there. Big up on yourself. Big up to the Rastafari them global. Rasta is not about color or whatever. From Mr. Selassie, goodness, food, clothes and shelter for everybody. A Rasta you deal with, you see me? It's not about your ear, your skin, your colors in. It's about the person where you are within. Rastafari. So shall we continue? We shall. I'm not going to cut it too much because I know I enjoy this way too much. Way up to the Grammy star them. Up. And I got a special little thing to close the show with. You will not believe. So yeah, and then 2010 now, we have Stephen Marley again in 2010. Well done, Steve Marley. Your music is very, very nice, man. Very spiritual is your music. And then 2011 now, guess who now? Me boss Buju, the don't stop at all. Driver, boss, you see me? Well deserved, Buju, given that you come under so much pressure from the international communities in so much different ways. Big up yourself. We can't wait to see you in 2018. We can't wait. Free Buju while we're at it. Yes. And then 2012 now is Steve Marley again. Big up yourself, Steve. You understand? 2013. Yes, many rivers to cross, Dan Dada, the living walking legend, which is Jimmy Cliff. Anybody wanna know what's a Jimmy Cliff? Are they living legend? Then you don't know nothing. Yeah, big up Jimmy Cliff. You don't know how that they come. So yeah, Jimmy Cliff now. Big up Jimmy Cliff. Enough people don't know that Jimmy Cliff coming in one of the first movie that ever come out of Jamaica. Or that they come check that out. One of the first Jamaican film that ever was made. A proper Jamaican film as well. Check that out. And then you have Ziggy Marley. The Marley them a boss in a 2014 winning another Grammy Award. You understand? So Ziggy Marley won it 2 times by himself and I think 4 times with Ziggy Marley and the Melody Makers. Zayn, so Ziggy now win it 2014, 2015 consecutively. And then up to the time now, 2016, we have like Morgan Heritage, you know what I mean? The royal family of reggae music doing their thing. You understand what I'm saying? The group that moved from America to Jamaica and from Jamaica to Africa. Tell me now, you not have nothing madder than them in a man. The thing is really turn up. So a special shout out to all my subscribers, to all the people who really love reggae music and care for the Jamaican culture. One love to you all. I really love you, you know. You understand? Because when is a fan like me, and it's best sometimes if you have the fans presenting things sometimes. Because we treat it with the care and understanding that you should put into these kind of things. You understand what I mean? Because when you're talking about people and other people care about them, you'll be aware of how you speak. It's not like you can't say what you don't want to say, no, but you not say certain things publicly. You understand what I'm saying? Like say you think other people don't care about who you're talking of. So I always show respect on the people in name that I call, you know what I mean? And to all the reggae Grammy Award winners, congratulations. Congratulations to Mr. Usain Bolt, Mr. Vern, Miss V. Campbell. Respect all of you athletes, all of you musicians, all of the cooks, all of the chefs, mechanics, bakers, eyeglass on the street of Jamaica. Find something better for you because you don't know, not talented, you don't got the blood of kings in the body. So just know them things. So big up on yourself, Jamaica. Special shout out to Jamaica, all Grammy fraternity, where show us the respect that we deserve out there in the international scene. Yeah? So big up on yourself, enough love, extra amount of love, because the world always need love, right? Big up on yourself, come over to Fantasy World, don't be afraid to subscribe. And if you have a channel as well, don't be afraid to beg me for a sub, because you don't know, I'm that Rasta man where I just one love me deal with, and if the channel dealing with things that I love, it's an easy little thing to pass on a like, pass on a share or something like that. So big up on yourself out there in YouTube land. All of the people them who is doing the same thing that I'm doing, enough love, and I stay in tune to the things. You understand what I'm saying? I'm busy now, so don't watch nothing. So one love to everybody out there. Special shout out to everybody. Respect to my subscribers. Special shout out to you. One little thing I must add before I leave. And of course, a special thanks to the legendary Bob Marley. You understand that? A special thanks to Mr. Bunny Wailer, the Right Honorable. A special thanks to Peter Tosh, Honorable. Respect. Rastafari, look after everyone and look after yourselves. Remember that we're Rastafari because we're the children of God, and we have some responsibility over this world to spread the love, right? And while we're going out, we listen to a few of the legend Bob Marley, and to my surprise, Bob Marley did not win a Grammy Award. You understand? So, you know me, we have to big up Bob Marley to pave the way so that people would even consider giving Jamaicans, to a certain degree, that kind of, you understand what I mean? That kind of platform to show what we can do. You know what I mean? So big up to Bob Marley for crushing international ground and be making reggae music in Jamaica and Rastafari be known everywhere across the planet. Shout out to Bob Marley and Bob Marley family. Special shout out to Rita Marley as well. and Judy Moet. You understand what I mean? Special shout out to those Empress as well, the Right Honorable as well. And then in closing, I'd like to say, wouldn't everybody like to see Chronixx win one Grammy Award, or like a Protege or a Jesse Royal, or you don't know where a Kazdambe, or you don't mean a Janine, or you understand what I'm saying? A Savannah, or you don't know. Let me follow myself in the video and all done, yeah? So we're just going out with some Bob Marley. By my doorstep, oh no, singing sweet songs. Oh yeah, melodies pure and true. Sing with me, my people. This is my message to you. I'm singing, don't worry. Oh no, about a thing. Don't do that, my people out there. Everything will be alright. Take care. Goodbye. My love in the ear. Bye-bye. Bless.